Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're a newbie then welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving you a short and simple homemade weight loss juice tutorial. So I'll start with your ingredients. You'll need 4 apples, 3 pears, 1 lemon, 1 lime, 2 clementines, 1 grapefruit, some ginger, cayenne pepper, turmeric, and finally some nutmeg. First, start by cutting up your pears into chunks and then put them into your blending cup. Add some water to make it easier to blend. Try not to spill it like I did, and that's what it should look like. Now you just need to blend it all up. Yep, lovely. Maybe we should speed this up. So now you need to put your pears through a sieve into your jug. Don't worry about the pears going brown, it's just because it's been exposed to some air and it's a white flesh fruit. And stir it around a little bit in the sieve so you can get all of the juice out. Mush, 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 mush. So now you can repeat the same step with your apples. Don't forget to add a little bit of water just so that they can blend a bit easier. And here we go again. Woohoo! Now you want to put your blended apples through a sieve into your jug and then mix it all around to get all the juices out. Now you want to chop your ginger, grapefruit, lemon, lime and tangerine. Put them all into your blending cup together, and now it's time to blend it all up. Now you want to pour your mix through your sieve into your jug and make sure you mix it all around inside of the sieve just so you're getting all of the juice out of the sieve but you're leaving the bits behind. So your juice mix should look like this now, and then you can take a spoon and mix all the juices together. It looks a bit thick for a juice for now, but don't worry, just keep watching, we will fix this after. Okay, so you want to add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. There we go. So now you can use your spoon to mix them all in, and then you should smell those lovely ingredients coming together. Ooh, can you smell it? Ready to help you lose some weight? Yes! Okay, so let's make this juice more juicy. We're going to make it a thinner consistency, so you just need to pour your juice back into your blending cup, ready to blend it all up again. Lovely jubbly. Now it's time to blend it all together again one last time. Blend, 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 blend. Perfect. Now you just need to pour all of that juice back through that sieve again into your jug and mix it all around. Make sure you get every little last drop of juice and only leave the bits behind. Your juice should look more like this, and trust me guys, this is what you want. Look at all of that juice. This is what you want. Yes. And there you have it, guys, a homemade weight loss juice. You are all very, very welcome. In this clip, I'm showing you the containers that I'll be using to separate the juice into daily portions. You can share it out into 100 milliliter portions, and this will be enough for 7 days. Last but not least, pour your juice into separate containers ready to go into the freezer. This will keep them fresh, hold all the nutrients, and 100% help with your weight loss journey. Also, this is really good for meal prepping too.